proteins are. Do it. People don't understand is that they think that when you work out you tear down muscle, and that's true, but in reality you're just existing. You're tearing down muscle. This is muscle synthesis, so it does increase with exercise, but it's occurring naturally all the time. So you have to continually eat the right amount of protein and carbs actually to keep those muscles repaired constantly. There are two contractile proteins, actin and myosin, that can be damaged in two different ways. The myosin is like a hook that walks along an actin track, and these hooks under too much tension can break off. That's one way to damage muscle fibers. The second type of damage is when the muscle cell membrane is actually damaged and some of the contents actually leak out. The way the body repairs the damaged muscle fibers is by sending in satellite cells that fuse with these damaged fibers, and over time you keep tearing down that same area and you get more and more satellite cells there, and this is your muscle growth. This is how your muscles get bigger, and they actually get stronger due to this happening. Now it takes about a day, 24 hours, to repair a damaged muscle. Now, much of this repair goes on when you're in a period of deep sleep. So, they say you need 8 hours of sleep as a bodybuilder, and it's that deep sleep at the end of that 8-hour period. It's when you're in your deepest sleep where this muscle repair takes place.